TD Direct Investing and TD Easy Trade are two popular online trading platforms offered by TD Bank, each catering to different investment needs and goals. To determine which option is better for your needs in 2025, let us break down the key features and differences between the two platforms. First, TD Direct Investing is a self-directed brokerage platform that provides users with a wide range of investment products, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and options. It offers advanced trading tools, real-time market data, and customizable dashboards, making it ideal for experienced investors and traders. On the other hand, TD Easy Trade is a more streamlined and user-friendly platform designed for beginner investors or those looking for a simpler trading experience. It offers a limited selection of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, and provides a more straightforward and intuitive interface. One of the main differences between the two platforms is the level of complexity and the associated fees. TD Direct Investing charges higher fees for trading and account maintenance, but offers more advanced features and tools. TD Easy Trade, on the other hand, has lower fees, but with limited functionality and product offerings. To choose between TD Direct Investing and TD Easy Trade, consider your investment goals, experience level, and desired level of control. If you are an experienced investor looking for advanced trading tools and a wide range of investment products, TD Direct Investing may be the better option. However, if you are a beginner investor or prefer a more straightforward trading experience, TD Easy Trade could be the way to go. In terms of best practices, it is essential to evaluate your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment objectives before selecting a trading platform. Consider factors such as fees, commissions, and account minimums, as well as the level of customer support and educational resources available. Ultimately, the choice between TD Direct Investing and TD Easy Trade depends on your individual needs and preferences. By understanding the key features and differences between the two platforms, you can make an informed decision and choose the option that best aligns with your investment goals and strategy.